WFAB.
This is Hinkley Brinkley with your WFAB-TV 2010 breaking news. There has been an explosion at the Grandma Rollayd's canned leftover baked bean processing plant outside of Willow Grove. There are widespread reports of widespread baked beans everywhere in the area. There are reports of flocks of birds being covered with baked beans. The birds have been seen licking off the baked beans, so an alert has been sent out by the AAA. Motorists should cover their cars with plastic sheeting when parking under trees. Various methods are being used at the plant to stop this baked bean leak. One method, called the bean pole, where a large pole is lowered into the vat of baked beans to stir them into submission, has failed. They are now attempting to cap the vat of baked beans with a large object known as a beanie. If the beanie fails, the final method will be to bus hundreds of people in from the state of Maine and have the world's largest Maine baked bean supper to try and eat all of the remaining beans. Surprisingly, Grandma Rollayd's was unavailable for comment. She did issue a statement: if you find baked beans in your yard, they're mine. So if you eat any, send a check to my office. We'll have further reports if there are any updates. Meanwhile, this is Hinkley Brinkley with breaking news for WFAB-TV, reminding you, when you see breaking Frankenbeans Day news, don't try to fix it yourself. Call WFAB-TV.
Hot dog, she's my baby. Hot dog, drives me crazy. Hot dog, don't mean baby. You ought to see my baby at the hot dog stand.
WFAB.